Looking for Dior makeup for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1. This mascara is developed with a new generation formula. Powerful wax builds volume and thickens lashes with each stroke. Enriched with microfibers for a lash extension result, by Dior. Number 2, provides customized color with advanced color reviver technology. Reacts directly with the unique chemistry of each woman's lips before releasing color. Energizes lips from within for an amazingly fresh, full and radiant effect. SPF 10 formula enriched with wild mango and Luffa cylindrical. Leaves lips moist and protected, another great product by Dior. Number 3, give your lips a kiss of instant volume and shine. The rich blend of collagen and marine-based fillers leave lips gorgeous and voluptuous. After just 15 days of use, your lips will look noticeably fuller and more defined. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.